Efficiency improvement. Optimized algorithm not only delivers a better performance on display, but also raises calculation speed on shape and face duplication. What's more, it shortens response time on selecting or previewing, especially for a large assembly. First, let's compare the display efficiency between ZW3D 2018 and ZW3D 2019. When we zoom or rotate the assembly, in 2018 version, there is a slight delay when the view update tries to catch up with the cursor. In ZW3D 2019, it is very smooth with no unreasonable delay. Second, calculation efficiency on shape and face duplication is greatly increased. You can observe the huge differences when copying objects. In the 2018 version, it takes more than 4 minutes, while ZW3D 2019 only takes about 1 minute. The time drops by 300%. At last, you can get a much faster experience while selecting objects in bulk. As we pick tens of thousands of faces in the 2018 version, the software runs slowly, but the new version shortens the time at a remarkable rate. These improvements provide a better performance on working with a big assembly.